So we're going to look at the solutions for the quant section of mock 15. Let's go ahead and start with the first question. Right, so the first question is a simple question from the topic of percentages. You can either create the equations and then solve it, or you can go by the options. So basically the question says a certain value first increased by X% and then increased by 3X%, such that the final value is 43% more than the initial value. So if I take the initial value as, let's say, 100, okay, then I'm increasing this by X%, which means it is becoming 1 plus X by 100. And then I'm increasing it by 3X, so it is becoming 1 plus 3X by 100, right? And therefore, the final value is supposed to be 143, right? Obviously, from this single equation, you can get the value of X, and it will require a little bit of calculation. But I would suggest that a better way of finding this is to go by the options. So they're asking you to find the value of 2X. Now here, if you want to find the value of 2X, don't go with options like 5, which is a bit difficult to calculate, because if 2X is 5, then in this equation, X will be 2.5, and substituting 2.5 is a problem. So what I would recommend is always take the options which are easy for you to check. For example, if you do this, 100 into, and if you say 2X is 10, in fact, the easiest to check is 20, right? The easiest to check is 20. So if 2X is 20, which means X is 10%, so this is 1.1 into 1.3. So what is 1.1 into 1.3? So 11 into 13, so 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1, and 1 ones are 1. So 143. Obviously 2 decimals, 1.43 into 100 is 143, and this works perfectly well. So if you notice, we are lucky here, we got the answer, but still I would say always start with the options which are the easiest to check, because you want to eliminate options. So when you're eliminating options, the easiest way to do that is to start with the simple options, which will make your calculation easy. So let us say by chance all these 3 turn out to be wrong. You don't have to check for option A, because that has to be the answer. That is the logic. Okay, let's move on.